So my job today. Carl hates looking at the bins. Not particularly the nicest thing to look at. So I'm going to build a log store or a little storage so they can go inside and then, well, hidden away. So I've got numerous pallets at work. I've slowly been bringing home. And what I'm going to do is just remove the base of them. So I'm just left with, as I would say, the top. So there's one. Take that, remove all that off, and then slowly I can put these together. Hopefully, it might look all right. The good thing is, it's free. So let's get on with it. Well, there we have it. One garden waste locker. As I said, just a couple of old pallets. Amazing what you can do actually with some freebies. Hinged on the top. I just need to get a system so that when I lift this lid, it then takes the lid of the wheelie bin up with it, but that'll be easy enough. Put some hooks in for that. But other than that, I think as a result, and free. Well, whilst we're down at Portsmouth, we've just popped over to Wickham where they've got an antique shop here. We get actually some interesting stuff in here, but we'll have a wander around and well, let's see what we can discover. Yeah, that's a nice mirror actually. And it says £26. Okay, a bit nice actually. And then we're here to see if we can find some sconces. Carol needs another one for one of the rooms we're in to match in, so well, let's get hunting. I've got a horrible feeling that is going in the shopping basket. Oh wow, do not trip over in this room. This would cost me a lot of money. Some nice glassware though.
Oh, different shapes and sizes here. Look.
If you want your crystals for your chandelier, anyone?
Oh, even those ones. Oh, look, even those ones.
And then they're putting them on the mirror in the hallway.
The glass as well. Oh, look. All on here.
How much are they each?
These ones are £3.50.
Okay.
Good price.
As I said, I knew she'd end up buying this. Now, I don't know if anyone's noticed the deliberate mistake, but we didn't notice it when we were in the shop, actually, both of us. It hasn't got a base. Well, it has got a base, but it was only when we put it next to the other lamps that we brought back from the chateau, we realised, hang on a second, there's something missing. But in traditional Blue Peter style, the bamboo 3D printer came to the rescue. And here's one I knocked up earlier. So I just made a gold base for it just to put underneath. And actually it looks perfect now, as I'll show you. And there you have it. You wouldn't even notice. That was a homemade 3D base. Well, today, for the next couple of days, I am at Excel. So we're down near London Docklands. First time for a long time I've built here. We've been invited to Comic-Con. Never done it before. I know all about it. I'm sure a lot of you watching will know about Comic-Con. So here we're going to do lots of light box prints just to give the effect. You can see there's just a print off the machine. But when Rebecca actually hit the light, you'll see the wow that we can get. And we've got 7 of these going around the stand. Just with that halo effect, I'm really pleased with that actually. This graphic has worked so well, so let's hope the others do. But looking forward to this show.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss me.
Well, that was a long day. That's the first day of 2. We managed to get most of the work done today, but As you can see in the background, for tonight's lodgings, I've never stayed there. All the time till I've been over this way, I've seen this boat, and I actually was staying the night on it.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Well, we're getting there. As I said before, with the light boxes, it just brings all the prints alive. So we're not far off finishing, which is nice. Come up for the day just to see what's going on here at Comic Con, and now I regret not dressing up. Everywhere I pretty much look inside the hall, everyone's in outfits. It's incredible actually, the effort everyone's putting into this. I've just seen this. Actually, I had the ZX Spectrum, my first computer, but it was the one before this, soft touch. I don't know how many people remember it, but these old monitors, and God, how things have changed over the years. Loading a game off a cassette. I remember doing that as well. I'm sure a lot of people of you, or a lot of you watching, will remember those days. And I thought Carol was scary. That's unbelievable. Another 10 years, I reckon I'm gonna look like him. If you're interested, that item is $1,800. Although, I have to say, it's pretty cool. So we just popped out to Farnham, about 10 or so miles from our house. We haven't been here for a long time. Antiques Warehouse. They are really spending a lot of money on this place, as you can probably see there. But a lot of antiques inside, so let's take a wander in and see what we can find.
Come on and have a look at these. They are light mahogany Trafalgar dining chairs, and the shape of them and this inlay.
Oh yes.
They are, I daren't sit on it, but I bet they're really comfortable the way that they're arched.
And that's a set there of what?
A set of 8.
Oh, crumbs, mind the glassware. A set of 8, yes, with the table.
Beautiful. There's a lot of beautiful chairs in here. The detail on these ones as well.
Yeah, with a footstool as well.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It is, isn't it? Don't make yourself at home, will you?
That's really cool.
It is, isn't it?
Some more beautiful, cute little chairs there.
They are small, aren't they? That's a Zack and Zara chairs.
And look at the details on these ones too.
Yeah, I would be scared to sit in these.
I'm not going to touch them.
No. But yeah, some really nice stuff here. I actually like the barn itself. Maybe this is what we should have years ago thought about in the coach house, haven't you? Opening up a cond.
a light.
I'd love to know if anyone out there knows what that is. I mean, we do.
It's pretty obvious, really.
It is, yes. Well, that's a 1% club question. But tell them what it is.
It's a chimney sweep brush. And this is the weight for it to come down and the bristles to get all the soot off.
Small chimney you'd have to have. But it is cool, isn't it?
Do you think they just dropped it at the top and it went...
You bang. Yeah, it broke the fireplace at the bottom and it hit it.
It's in this old trunk, clothes trunk. Been turned into a picnic basket.
That's pretty cool, actually. God, dear.
And the old ships up there I thought you'd like.
Not allowed to ship. You told me I'm not allowed to buy a boat. This is something I knew straight away when I saw it. This sort of Terry or Carol would like, actually. It's a Tiffany light shade.
Tiffany style.
What style then? Okay, well, I was close. Not bad. But yeah, when it's lit up, I can imagine that looking really nice. How much is it?
£495.
Well, there you go, everyone. If you want the Tiffany style light shade. Look at the work that's gone into producing this light shade, or base, should I say. And in fact, let's see how much that is, because that's got to be, I would say, quite a lot. The pair, sorry, makes £595. Carol, can I just borrow your face? Stay there. Now wait. Twin.
So unfortunately, at neither one of the brocants, we could not find the third chandelier for this room, but we've waited a year, so we'll just keep waiting. You may have seen in social media on Facebook and Instagram that this week Adrian and myself went up to Chelsea in London. There was a specific reason, but what was that reason? What did we get up to? Unfortunately, you're going to have to wait and see, and as they say, keep watching!